The late George Cummins, who unfortunately passed away before getting the time to enjoy his project after a thorough nut-and-bolt restoration. The Land Rover Series 1 for the farmer, the countryman and general industrial use. Born at the Rover Soho plant on the 5th of December 1952, this 18-inch basic Land Rover was produced for the UK home market in L1 Land Rover Green before being shipped to Charleshurst, Belfast on the 11th of December 1952 and then being registered in County Down in early 1953. The first truly four-wheel drive multi-purpose vehicle ever produced, described at the time as a light tractor. High effective 2-litre petrol engine that developed 50 brake horsepower. Box section chassis, non-corrosion aluminium sheet metalwork. Special protection for ignition system against damp. Hydraulic brakes, 12-foot line. Give Roadside Garages a call on 028 703 5688 for more information.